Lot number 215 is a 2007 Bluebird Vision. This is a 71 passenger school bus. This bus is being sold as a junk vehicle. It's missing the rear end and all rear wheels. This bus was involved in an accident and many parts have been pulled off in the time that it's been sitting here. The rear end, all the wheels are missing. It's got damage to the body on the rear corner. The rear door is missing. It's missing windows. It's missing the whole engine cover. Parts on the engine may be missing. Has a Caterpillar. I believe this is a C7 is the model. Caterpillar engine. Mechanical condition is unknown. The miles are unknown. The dashboard has been dismantled and all the gauges are gone. Front tires look good. No, they don't. It's coming apart right there. So the tires are rough. This bus has been stopped here a long time and many parts have been pulled off. This is good for recycling or for parts. I think it's beyond repair. It's missing the door here. It looks like the rear door was taken off and they left an old rear door here. It's missing the steering wheel, the whole steering column, all the gauges, all the seats are in place, and it's got two roof mount AC units that appear to be complete. All right, that's it. Don't say I didn't warn you. This is a junk bus. You got no wheels in the back, so this will require a professional towman with a professional truck to get it out of here. Front bumper took a hard hit. Engine and transmission are still in place. All right, good luck. It's lot number 215.